This is what you call a showstopper. I have to say, in all of my tastings, and I've tasted a lot, these are my best ever 2 dishes, ever.
You got 7 minutes, Claire. You OK?
Yep.
Claire's starter, pan-fried scallops with butternut squash puree, crispy parma ham, crispy sage and pine nuts. Now, that sounds really, really delicious.
The scallops are really caramelised, but still soft and yielding inside.
Ooh, nice scallops.
Puree to be strained quickly.
Yeah. Cool as a cucumber.
You've got a minute left, Claire. You're doing well.
OK.
Lots of crispy elements as well. I look forward to it.
Let's go, let's go, let's go! Well done.
Oof.
Well done. Thank you.
Hello.
Hi, Claire.
How are you doing? Today I've cooked for you pan-seared scallops with some butternut squash puree, parma ham, and some sage and pine nuts.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
That smells amazing.
Yeah.
My mouth is watering.
It's a really attractive plate of food.
My scallop is cooked to perfection. It's perfect on the inside, lovely and caramelised. I'm really impressed with the puree. It's so creamy, so buttery. It's a dish that makes you want to eat more, and I'm going to eat more.
I'm really impressed by that level of refinement so early on.
Seasoning, perfect. Texture's perfect. I don't want it to end.
Really nicely cooked scallops. I really like the crispy bit of sage and the crispy ham giving saltiness. I think that's a quality dish.
I really like it.
OK, Claire, you got 15 minutes, yeah? How's your risotto? Is it going to be ready in 15?
Yeah.
OK, good.
I love the sound of the clam risotto, but risotto's really hard to get right, making sure it's al dente and making sure the sea bass is crispy but not overcooked.
I will be happier when this is all plated.
Risotto cooked?
Yes.
Smells very good.
You've got a minute, so you're doing very well. Very, very well.
Parsley oil sounds wonderful. It's really strong as well, especially with something like Seabass, which I think can need a bit of a kick up the backside.
Nice.
Yeah, really lovely.
Hey.
OK, let's go.
Well done. Well done. Good-looking plates.
Oh, hello. I've cooked for you pan-seared sea bass with clam risotto, parsley oil, and some coriander.
Can't wait to eat it.
You're out of the woods.
Oh, juicy peeps. Joe, I was OK. It was just the time went like zoop. And it was just the timing. It just... Suddenly, I was like, you have 15 minutes. I was like, 15 minutes. Yeah.
Wow, doesn't that just look amazing? Yeah. And smells incredible.
I mean, this is pushing to restaurant quality at this stage. Can I just say, wow. I mean, this is phenomenal. The fish is beautifully cooked. The clams are meaty and juicy. There's still that little bit of a bite in the rice.
This is what you call a showstopper. I have to say, in all of my tastings, and I've tasted a lot, these are my best ever 2 dishes, ever.
Good on you, Claire girl.
That's a nice dish. It tastes every bit as good as it looks, and it looks like a pretty picture.
I think it's a great-looking dish. I think it's well presented and it's well flavoured. Nothing wrong with that at all.